You've heard this before. If you change your smile, you can absolutely change your life. Well, Dr. Brian Hendricks from Dream Dental Implant says that is the truth. He's joining us in our ABC4 backyard to tell us about dental implants. Welcome to the show.
Hey, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Can you talk us through the process of implants and who are they for?
Well, implants are probably the thing that confuses people the most in dentistry, but they're actually pretty simple. Anytime you're missing a tooth or you're missing all your teeth, essentially what we're doing is putting anchors inside of your jaw that make it so that we can give you a new smile, give your ability to chew back. I mean, it's actually that simple.
Dr. Hendricks, I had a bridge, like right in the front. I was born without it. I mean, there was just no tooth there. And I think for a lot of patients, is that the case? Is it genetic?
You know what? It often is genetic, and then there's other factors that play into it. Sometimes you just have some bad luck in life. You get hit by a ball, you get bumped by an elbow, and simply a tooth gets knocked or it gets hurt. And so there's a lot of factors that play into why a tooth would go bad or why you're not, even born with a tooth. But at the end of the day, it's fixable.
Should you do one? Should you wait until you have more than one? What's the best thing for patients to do?
That's a really good question. It depends on every patient. Some people can get by with just one single implant to replace one tooth. But I would say 85 to 90% of my office, people are coming in that have been either neglected or just been in a place where they couldn't deal with the problems in their mouth. And so we're actually replacing all the teeth with one continuous bridge on implants.
All right, Dr. Hendricks, we are looking at some before and afters. I can't believe the difference, not just in the teeth, but in her face.
Yeah, I honestly, this is why I do what I do. This is when I'm old and I'm an old man. I just want to look through all these pages of books and smiles because it's why I do what I do.
What do patients say to you?
People oftentimes come in thinking they're just getting a smile, but I tell people I don't just change smiles. I change lives. I mean, that's the power of dentistry. When you invest in yourself. See, here's the thing: when you look in the mirror, what you see back is everything. And that's why right now at this time with everything going on, it's so important that you have that confidence, that you see someone strong back in the mirror, you see someone beautiful back in the mirror. And so investing in your smile is so important.
There's a psychological change when you feel confident about your teeth, right?
Yeah, I mean, it's unreal. Every patient that you've shown up there is a story. And the story is very similar in the sense that they were hiding or they were embarrassed by their smile, and then they made the decision to change their life. And each of these people, you go on my YouTube channel, you'll see these patients talk about this transformation. It's absolutely unreal. It's amazing.
What's the average age that you're seeing?
This is really for honestly, 18 to 90. I had a patient, 93 years old, the other day that we did this surgery on, and we did 8 implants and healed up perfectly. So it's not the age, it's the condition of the teeth. It's the needs of the patient. It's really different for everyone, but most people qualify.
I love that it's never too late, not even in your 90s, to have a beautiful smile and feel confident about your smile. How invasive is the procedure?
You know what? I have patients tell me all the time that where I do a full smile, where I extract all the teeth, put new implants in, and the way that I do it, the process, the protocols, I often say people will tell me that they have less pain with a full mouth extraction process with me than a single extraction in other offices.
All right, if people have questions, they're wondering, okay, I think I'm ready, what should they do?
Give our office a call.